Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa today for Not Too Shabby Day. And I am coming to you with two cards, one made from Man's Best Friend and one made from At the Lake. These are the paper pad subscription pads for this month. And you are going to want to run to Not Too Shabby and grab your subscription. You can purchase this by subscription or you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. And I'll talk to you about that a little bit more while I'm putting the cards together. But as of the recording of this video, there were still a couple left. So, a handful. So anyhow, let me get into putting the cards together. I made one card with At the Lake and one card with Man's Best Friend. And I pulled out my trusty little sheet load little booklet that my friend makes all the sheets for it and sends them to me. And I am using the February 2020 sheet load of cards, and I'm altering it just a little bit. I'm not using the nest behind there, and I only use the sentiment for one card because the other card doesn't need it. So I'm going to move the one card to the side because I don't want you to see that yet. Of course, you saw a little bit of it. And I'm going to put the Man's Best Friend card together first. So I cut out my panel here with a stitched rectangle. Now, it says that the PPA is 4 by 5 1/4. And I picked up the stitched rectangle and cut it out, and this is a full-size stitched rectangle. It cuts out 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I felt like, that's okay. Oh, sorry. And then the middle piece, and the reason I chose this sketch is I wanted it to showcase, as you know, as much of the pattern paper as I could. And first I want to apologize because normally I make a ton of cards for you, at least 4 or 5. And I'm not able to do this because we are leaving to go on a trip. And so I had to get this video done early and get it scheduled. So anyhow, so that's why I just, you know how it is when you're preparing to go on a trip. You just run out of time to do everything. Okay, so that goes right there in the middle. And I've got my ephemera that is in the paper pad. Some paper pads have it, some don't. This one happens to. But I'm going to put my little sentiment strip down first because it says happy birthday. I decided to make this a birthday card because, as you know, if you're not new to my channel, you know that I make cards for nursing home donations. And every month when my friend and I make the nursing home donations, we also make some birthday cards to give to the staff so they will have them on hand. And so I thought, we always try, oh, I don't like how that looks. We always try to make a mixture of masculine and feminine birthday cards. Okay, so one more little touch here, and we'll set that aside, and then I'll come back for the bells and whistles on it because I don't know what I'm going to do just yet. Okay, so we have that, and I will definitely have to put something on the inside because it's such a dark card. So I'm going to put that one to the side. And then this one, I chose a scallop rectangle that I have in my stash and chose that paper and the paper on the back of it. Now, I had to use 2 sheets of that to be able to use what I wanted to, to use both patterns that I wanted to use because the leftover wasn't big enough for it, but that's okay. Okay, so let me back this. And I am sorry, when I don't do a voiceover, and I rarely do voiceovers, but when I don't do a voiceover, my tape gun squeaks. So let me tell you a little bit about the subscription. The subscription is every month, and who would not want 2 brand new, I know I've said this exactly like this before, 2 brand new paper pads coming to your mailbox every single month. And let me tell you, they are fabulous, I think. I'm, of course, I am biased since I'm the one that is the paper pad person, and put them together and get them all configured to as a paper pad. So, but I don't know, I just love paper pads. So anyhow, if you subscribe, you get an 18% discount. If you just purchase them as a payer, and you have to purchase them as a payer, if you just purchase them as a payer, you don't get that discount. And if you're hesitant about them, I can guarantee you that there's not, you're going to like them. You're going to like them. I promise. We always kind of have a variety. Okay, so I didn't put a sentiment on this one because it says right here, life is better at the lake. So let's see what we can do for bells and whistles. And if you watch my channel frequently, you know that I am trying to use up the enamel dots in this cup so that I can open more. I've told myself I can't open any more until this one is all used up. So I am just going to sprinkle these light blue ones. I think they go very well with this. Around. So there we have. And I don't know what it is about enamel dots. I love me some enamel dots. I don't know what it is. Once you put some enamel dots on the card, it just like makes it. It is like just the best. All right. So there we have it. 2 very quick and easy cards. If you're not familiar with Call Me Crafty Owl and the sheet load, she is on the Not Too Shabby design team also, but she also runs her own design team and does her own thing with the Call Me Crafty Owl sheet load of cards. If you've never heard of that, I will leave her link down below in the description box. If you are a sketch person, you need to check out Call Me Crafty Owl. And I am a sketch person. So there are my 2 cards for Not Too Shabby Day for this week. And I will be back for some inspiration, because I am sure these will be sold out by the time I get home and I can use these 2 paper pads to make some more cards. And anyhow, but I'll make some for some inspiration, and you can catch them over on Instagram or if I make a video. But I'll definitely put some more on Instagram. So, and all of my socials are linked in my link tree, which is listed down below. And I also have Buy Me a Coffee that's listed down below. If you like what you see, I'd love it if you support me in those by subscribing and liking and commenting and smashing that like button and all those good things. So anyhow, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.